Just one simple drink for 7 days, and you can start reaping incredible health benefits. Are you struggling with joint pain, poor digestion, or low energy? As we grow older, our bodies need extra care to stay strong and vibrant. What if adding just one simple drink, ginger tea, into your daily routine for 7 days could transform your health? From surprising benefits on day 1 to an incredible effect on day 6, this video will reveal it all. Stick around to the end to discover the right quantity for maximum benefits and some risks you must avoid. Let's get started. Day 1. Improved digestion. On the very first day, you'll notice improved digestion. Ginger stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, which helps break down food more efficiently. If you often feel heavy or bloated after meals, ginger tea can offer immediate relief by easing stomach discomfort and helping food pass through your digestive tract more smoothly. It's also known to reduce nausea, making it a great option for anyone who experiences morning sickness or motion sickness. Maintaining a healthy gut is essential, as digestion tends to slow down with age. Ginger tea can be a simple and effective way to support your digestive health. Day 2. Reduced inflammation. By the second day, ginger's anti-inflammatory properties start to work their magic. Chronic inflammation is a common issue as we age and can contribute to conditions like arthritis, joint pain, and even cardiovascular disease. Ginger contains compounds like gingerol and shogal, which target inflammation at its source and help reduce swelling in the body. Many people report feeling less stiffness and improved mobility after just a few days of regular ginger tea consumption. It's like giving your body a natural dose of relief, especially for those who deal with joint pain daily. Day 3. Better blood circulation. On day 3, you might feel more energetic and lighter on your feet. Ginger improves blood circulation by relaxing the muscles around your blood vessels, making it easier for blood to flow. This enhanced circulation not only supports heart health, but also ensures that oxygen and nutrients are efficiently delivered throughout your body. For those over 50, maintaining healthy circulation is vital to reducing the risk of blood clots and improving overall vitality. With ginger tea, you're giving your cardiovascular system a natural boost. Day 4. Boosted immunity. By day 4, you'll notice your immune system feeling stronger. Ginger is packed with antioxidants that combat free radicals, which can damage cells and weaken immunity. It's especially helpful during cold and flu season, as it has natural antibacterial and antiviral properties. Building a strong immune system is crucial to warding off infections and staying healthy year-round. A daily cup of ginger tea acts as a shield, protecting you from common illnesses while promoting faster recovery if you do fall sick. Day 5. Enhanced skin glow. By the 5th day, you might notice a visible difference in your skin. Ginger's antioxidants fight free radicals, which are responsible for premature aging and dullness. Its anti-inflammatory properties can also help reduce redness and puffiness, leaving your skin looking refreshed and rejuvenated. As we get older, maintaining healthy skin becomes more challenging due to reduced collagen production and environmental damage. Ginger tea supports your skin from within, giving you that natural glow without the need for expensive creams or treatments. Day 6. Reduced bloating and weight management. By day 6, you'll likely notice less bloating and better weight management. Ginger acts as a natural diuretic, helping your body eliminate excess water and toxins. It also supports a healthy metabolism, which can slow down as we age, making weight loss or maintenance more challenging. Additionally, ginger has appetite-suppressing properties, making it easier to avoid overeating or snacking unnecessarily. If weight management is a goal, ginger tea can be a powerful ally in achieving and maintaining a healthy balance. Day 7. A calmer mind and better sleep. By the 7th day, the calming effects of ginger tea become evident. Ginger helps lower cortisol levels, the stress hormone that can wreak havoc on your mood and sleep patterns. Drinking a warm cup before bed promotes relaxation and sets the stage for a restful night's sleep. Better sleep is critical for overall health, especially as we age. With ginger tea as part of your bedtime routine, you'll wake up feeling refreshed, recharged, and ready to take on the day. Making ginger tea is simple and quick. Start with a fresh piece of ginger, about an inch long. Peel it, Slice it thinly and add the slices to a cup of boiling water. Let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes, then strain. For added benefits, you can add a squeeze of lemon for vitamin C or a teaspoon of honey for a touch of sweetness and additional antioxidants. While ginger tea is a natural and safe remedy for most people, it's important to enjoy it in moderation. Drinking too much can lead to heartburn or upset stomach. Stick to 1 or 2 cups a day for the best results. Additionally, if you're on blood-thinning medication or have gallstones, consult your doctor before incorporating ginger tea into your routine. Always talk to your doctor before starting any new diet or routine. There you have it, 7 days of drinking ginger tea and the incredible benefits it brings. Are you ready to give it a try? Let us know your experience in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more wellness hacks that make healthy living simple. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.